Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's class, now we are going to see the topic about preservation of industrial strain. We discuss about the introduction of industrial strain. The preservation of industrial strains refers to the process of maintaining and storing of microorganisms which are used in industrial applications. And the strains might be employed for the production of bio-based chemicals and paramedicals, food products, or in bioremediation among their applications. Proper preservation is crucial to ensure these strains maintain their stability, activity, and genetic integrity over time. And we discuss about what are the preservation methods are followed for preservation of industrial strains. First one is lyophilization. Lyophilization, which means freeze drying. This is one of the most common method used for long-term preservation. In this process, the microorganisms are frozen and then subjected to a vacuum to remove the water. And then this results in a dry powder that can be stored on month or year. It also contains advantages and also disadvantages. Advantages of lyophilization: long shelf life and easy storage and transportation. Disadvantages of lyophilization: it must be costly and may lead to some loss in viability, especially if done not correctly. Next method is used to preserve the industrial strains. It is glycerol stock preservation. What is glycerol? Glycerol helps to protect the microbial cells from ice crystal formation that could damage cellular structure. And then glycerol stock preservation: industrial strains are often stored in cryoprotectant solution. Commonly glycerol 15 to 20% and frozen at 18 degrees Celsius. The advantages of glycerol stock preservation: it is simple and then cost effective and efficient for the preserving the strains at ultra low temperatures. Disadvantages of glycerol stock preservation: requires a freezer with very low temperature and regular monitoring. Storage on agar slab. Storage on agar slab: strain can be preserved by the solid agar media in test tubes and then which are then stored at low temperature. Advantages of agar slabs: simple and inexpensive, suitable for short to medium term storage. And then disadvantages: limited lifespan and require periodic subculturing to maintain viability. Cryopreservation. It is similar to glycerol storage but often involves other cryptoprotectants like DMSO. The strains are stored at low temperature, typically in liquid nitrogen, for indefinite preservation. Advantages of this cryopreservation: ideal for long-term storage with minimum genetic changes. Disadvantages: it is high cost, requires special equipment, and potential difficulty in reviewing the strains. Short-term storage. The industrial strains can be stored in refrigerator on agar slabs, where the microorganisms are maintained in a viable state, can be reviewed when needed. Advantages: it is low cost and easy to manage. Disadvantages: the culture may undergo some metabolic changes over time, affecting the strain consistency. What is protoplast fusion? Protoplast fusion, it is a technique involve the fusion of protoplast from different strains. It is more commonly used for genetic engineering and hybrid strain development but can also be used for preserving unique strains through cloning and selection. Best practices for strain preservation. First one is we check the regular viability of strains, and second one is proper labeling and documentation of the strains, and third one is avoid genetic drift. Regular propagation and subculturing can help minimize the genetic drift. And then multiplication before preservation. Always maintain a stock culture and generate multiple samples of preserved strains for safety. And what are the challenges we have faced during the preservation? First one is loss of viability. Some strains may lose their viability over time, particularly when subjected to extreme preservation techniques. And then genetic stability. Long-term storage, especially at suboptimal condition, can lead to mutation or loss of specific traits. And then cost and equipment. Some methods like cryopreservation and lyophilization require expensive equipment and careful handling, which may not to be feasible for all industries. Thank you viewers for your watching. In next video we have discussed about the another topic. Thank you so much. Thank you.